What assets can be put in a credit shelter trust? When planning your estate, you may wonder what types of assets can go into a credit shelter trust. This trust, also known as a bypass trust, serves a specific purpose in estate tax planning. It helps married couples maximize their estate tax exemptions and protect their assets. So, let's break down the types of assets that can be included in a credit shelter trust. First up, cash and cash equivalents. These are liquid assets that can be easily accessed. Including cash provides immediate income and flexibility for the trust. It's a straightforward choice for funding the trust. Next, investment accounts are a great option. You can place stocks, bonds, mutual funds, and other securities into the trust. These assets can generate income and potential growth while being sheltered from estate taxes. This makes them a smart addition to the trust. Real estate is another asset type that can be included. Personal residences or investment properties can be transferred into the trust. However, it's important to consider management and liquidity. You want to ensure that the trust can handle any real estate responsibilities. Business interests are also eligible. If you own a closely held business, transferring ownership interests into the trust can help preserve family business continuity. This is especially important for families wanting to keep the business in the family while minimizing estate taxes. Lastly, other tangible assets can be included, such as valuable personal property or collectibles. However, these are less common due to the complexities involved in valuing them. When assets are placed in a credit shelter trust, they are removed from the surviving spouse's taxable estate. This can significantly reduce estate taxes when the surviving spouse passes away. The surviving spouse usually has the right to receive income generated by the trust assets. They may also have limited access to the principal for specific needs like health, education, maintenance, and support. It's important to note that assets in a credit shelter trust do not receive a step-up in income tax basis upon the surviving spouse's death. This means if the assets are sold later, there could be higher capital gains tax. For married couples with substantial assets, credit shelter trusts are particularly useful. They help maximize estate tax exemptions and ensure that assets are distributed according to the deceased spouse's wishes. In summary, you can place cash, investments, real estate, business interests, and some tangible assets into a credit shelter trust. Each asset type plays a role in achieving your estate planning goals while minimizing tax implications. Working with an estate law professional can help you make the best choices for your unique situation.